Hello everyone, my name is Ross Bradshaw and I'm the Sales Director here at ATE. We're excited to bring to you our April promotion, launching our campaign Spring into Action. We've put together two amazing trailer servicing kits for you, providing you with the basics to get your fleet back into prime condition for the up and coming spring and summer seasons that we're all so much looking forward to.
The campaign includes two different kits, the manual pack and the digital pack. Included in these packs is a handy servicing checklist. These come in both list form with tick boxes and also in visual form. We've also included a torque setting sheet with a link to our trailer servicing video as well. Both kits come packed in a handy portable kit bag. They both include a grease gun, multi-purpose grease, nitrile gloves in size extra large, brake and clutch cleaner, multi-purpose service spray, a 100 pack of multi-purpose wipes and a roll of 2-ply blue roll.
What makes the manual and digital pack different are the gauges that are included. In the manual pack we've included a manual tyre tread depth gauge, like so, and a pencil tyre pressure gauge. Whereas in the digital pack we've got a digital tyre tread depth gauge and we've got a digital tyre pressure gauge. Now let's talk price. The manual pack is only £85, whilst the digital pack is coming in at £95. This is an absolute bargain for a great kit of products, making your trailer surfing both simple and easy and effective.
Whatever pack you decide to go for, these kits are the ideal solution for servicing your trailer, providing you with everything you need to get your fleet up and running. Either give us a call, send us an email, head over to www.ate-uk.com or click the link in the description above to secure yours today. Thank you for watching and we look forward to speaking to you soon.